to my YouTube channel. This is your humble servant here, and we are doing something real quick on AY Media TV. I've told you guys that on AY Media TV, we show you guys stuff. Today we are in Bowie, one of the cities that is located in Maryland. We're gonna go through this jungle. I want to see exactly what I can see. All right, so we're gonna walk through this jungle, and guys, let's go together to the jungle and see exactly what it is.
You're already scared. Okay, be quiet. What are those? Squirrels.
So guys, I'm just walking through here, right? I'm just walking through this side of this. It's just like a forest. So we're just walking through the forest with my boys, and we're just trying to see a couple of stuff here, you know. And I know how to go. Go, 1, 3, you know. Let's see, like
A footprint.
the footprint of
Maybe
I
like
think
a
maybe
sheep.
a deer or something, no? It looks like a deer.
Oh yes, it's true.
Wow, I like this. Careful when you're putting your leg down, yeah?
See, keep going. Don't.
Give it to me.
It goes deep.
Alright guys, so look, we're just going through this forest, you know. This forest is a forest in Bowie. Bowie is one of the cities in Maryland, you know. And they have a very quiet, it's a very quiet whoo, whoo. Did you hear it, guys? Something scary. Guys, let's go back to that side. Guys, I'm told that there's a place that is very nice at that side, right? So I'm gonna put my stuff together, right? And then we're gonna walk. We're gonna go through the forest in Bowie. You know? What's that? What's that there? The block thing there.
No, you're getting scary.
Ooh. Who is getting you scary? You don't have to be scary. I'm trying to see what's that.
Okay.
You guys start walking so I can take you. You don't be worried. Go. When you're walking, you have to check where you put your leg. You understand? What's that?
I don't know, like you buried something.
No, it's just a wood. This is what I was
People
talking.
came here to cut it down trees.
What's that? I think maybe they bury somebody here.
Oh
Yeah.
shit!
They bury somebody here.
Run.
Oh, there's no need to run.
No.
There's no need to run.
They buried someone, the name was Joseph from 1921 to 1923.
That was 100 years ago, man. It's very long time. Probably here was maybe. Oh, woo-hoo. I'm gonna ask Auntie if here was a burial, like a place. Maybe that person owns a forest. So you can see this like a road, right?
Yeah.
This like a road. Woo! It's
That's
a bird.
Good.
It's a bird that's flying away. There's nothing there. You guys are too scared.
I'm not scared.
If you're a man, you just need to wait until something that will really scare you. Otherwise, all these things shouldn't scare you.
So this is a way outside somewhere.
I think so. Yeah, it's going to a house. See somebody's house there.
Yes.
All right, guys. So it's a very beautiful forest, though. Very beautiful forest. You can see, very beautiful one.
But it's really strange.
It's not. It's nice. I like it. I mean, if you build your house in between this forest,
Oh no.
No.
Never.
why no?
No.
Never.
Why never?
I don't want to stay in a forest where people would buried in it.
Who said that? This is past and gone. How many years ago? This one? 100, right?
Yeah.
1930, 1921 to 1923. Oh, it's not that long.
Yeah.
This is just like 2 years. Yeah, it's a 2 years boy, right? Yeah, it's just 2 years. Yeah, I think it's just a baby. 2 years, can't you see? 1921 to 1923. How many years?
2 years.
It's 2 years, baby. How do you get scared of 2 years, baby? Huh? There's nothing to be afraid about. Hey, come and lead here so I'll take you guys behind. Yalla, hey, is that the route? Is that where we passed? I thought we came through here. Hey, when you're walking, you have to check the ground.
Run.
Run for what? It's nice though. I like it. It's very quiet. Huh? What?
Now I think
No, it's not.
it's a plea for Martin.
It's a big house, man. I like it. Trust me, it's nice.
They had a basketball hoop. Yeah, we also got a
Where?
basketball. They had a basketball thing.
Where?
In front, but you park your car is there.
Oh, I think I need to move back because when um the husband comes in, he need to park, right?
Yeah, they have to get a basketball now. Because our basketball is inside the trunk.
I know we have it in the trunk, but what I'm saying here is that
For a very long time. Even trees have grown to it. So
no, it means that nobody is playing it.
if you shoot it still comes down. That it hasn't grown to it. It still works. Just has to go outside of it.
I need to back up and park somewhere. The key is there. It's inside the. All right. So I think where they do the biking is there, right? I see it. So we're gonna walk. We're gonna go through the biking. I think the biking is in the forest. So
Biking.
where they ride cycle in the bush. People ride cycling there.
So the ride bikes there.
Yeah.
This is they look like the Delaware.
Hmm. I like the house. It's very nice. Alright guys. Remember to subscribe, share, comment below. This is Bowie for you.